Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing great. And I will just take 1 minute of you guys to request you to support the farmers and the peaceful protest that they are doing in India. If you can help some way or any way or in spreading the news, that will be really appreciable. And further, let's go to deals or my whole of the CVS. Let's go to that one by one. So first transaction I did, I included some toilet papers and the Sharper Image Aerotherapy neck plus shoulder wrap. So what I did is, so this week Babo toilet paper is buy one get one free, and when you buy two you will get back $3 extra bucks. True Green is $2.99 each, and when you buy two you will get back $3 extra bucks. Sharper Image, this neck thing, the neck and shoulder wrap is $9.99. So I bought all two of them. I bought two Babo toilet paper 8-pack, that is $10.99 each. True Green 4-pack, that is $2.99 each, and Sharper Image $9.99 two as well. I got $15 Sharper Image CRT. I got Pogo True Green CRT. I got Pogo Babo CRT. That reduces my total to $7.97. I rolled $7.97 extra bucks, and I got back $3 for Babo and $3 for True Green, making it $1.97 for all 6 items. I think that's a good price for these 6 because they're extremely costly. Like Babo individually is $10.99 and the wrap is $19.99. So $1.97 for 6 is good price. Let's go to next deal. So in second transaction I did Wet n Wild, Shea Moisture, Aveeno, Select Fragrances and Alka-Seltzer deal. So Wet n Wild gift set this week is buy one for $4.99 and get $4 extra bucks with the limit of 3. Shea Moisture is spend 20, get $10 extra bucks on the Select Shea Moisture actually. And Select Fragrances, buy one get $12 extra bucks, and I think that has mentioned that it is great. It should be greater than $19.99. So I bought two Shea Moisture shampoos they were $11.99 at my store. Two Wet n Wild gift set $4.99. Alka-Seltzer is $4.69 at my store, and Fantasy, that Britney Spears, I think it's a perfume, that is $25.49. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore, that is $11.79. I used $5 Select Fragrance CRT that I got last week. This week I got $7 off $25 Select Fragrances. I combined both of them. I used $4 off $10 Wet n Wild CRT, and I got $5 off Cosmetics CRT, any cosmetics, that I got on Thursday. So I used that one. I got one Aveeno Calm CRT last week and one Aveeno Calm CRT this week. I combined both of them. Same thing for Alka-Seltzer. I got one Alka-Seltzer CRT last week and one Alka-Seltzer CRT this week. I used $2 Aveeno coupon from coupons.com. I had 2 CRTs of Shea Moisture, $4 of $10, and I had $5 of 2 Shea Moisture from last week Retail Me Not. Before coupons, the total was above $70. After coupon, the total was reduced to $27.93. I rolled off $27.93, got back $10 for Shea Moisture, $8 for Wet n Wild, $12 for Fantasy, perfume, and $7 for the combined everything counts toward beauty. So I will get $7 for that as well, making it around, you can understand, like $8 or $9 money maker. If you have those CRTs, don't forget to use them. That is really good deal. So on my other card, I got some CeraVe CRTs. Plus I had $4 of $20 lotion CRT and $4 of 10 Wet n Wild CRT. So I combined all of them. I bought this thing. So let me explain this transaction. So in this, I bought 2 Eucerin. Eucerin this week is spend 20, get $10 extra bucks. Wet n Wild is same as the last transaction. Buy one for $4.99, get $4 extra bucks. CeraVe, there is no such deal on CeraVe, but I had good CRTs, so I combined them, and these lotions are extremely expensive, so I used them, and I used my bugs on this. So I bought a daily protection Eucerin, that is $11.49 at my store. Then skin calming was $9.79. These Wet n Wild were $4.99 each, and CeraVe baby moisturizing lotion was $10.99, and CeraVe cleansing bar was $7.59. I used 2 coupons of Eucerin, $3.50 from Eucerin.com, plus $4 of 20 lotion CRT. I used $4 of 10 Wet n Wild CRT, plus, so on this card I did not get $5 cosmetic CRT, I had $4 cosmetic CRT. So I used $4 cosmetic CRT. Then I used 2 CRTs, one of CeraVe baby CRT plus one of CeraVe facial care CRT. I used 2 coupons of $4 from CeraVe.com. Then I used, so that reduces my total to $15.25 in extra bucks. I got back $10 for Eucerin, $8 for Wet n Wild, making $18 for all 6 products, and making it $2.75 money maker. Plus this all counts toward beauty, and the total before coupon was $42, so I will get back $4 in beauty buck as well, making it $6.50 money maker. That, like in the beginning we did some transaction that was out of pocket. On this we can use these ones. Let's go to next. So next transaction I did on Nivea and Maybelline. Nivea this week is buy 2 get $5 extra bucks. Maybelline is same as well, buy 2 get $5 extra bucks. So I purchased 2 Nivea 8.4 lotion. They were $5.99 at my store, and Maybelline, that was $4.39 at my store. I used $5 instant coupon. I believe everyone is getting that $5 Maybelline or L'Oreal instant CRT. I got $2 of $8 Nivea lotion CRT. Plus I used 2 coupons of $2 from coupons.com. All these 4 coupons and CRT combining, that reduces my total to $9.76. I rolled off $9.76, got back $5 for Maybelline, $5 for Nivea, plus this counts toward beauty. I got back $2 extra bucks for beauty as well, making it $2 money maker. If you are not doing Wet n Wild deal, you can use that coupon, cosmetics coupon that we got in the app, that you can use on these as well. That was also combining to this as well. Let's go to next transaction. So in this transaction I did the same thing. I bought Alka-Seltzer, Summer Eves, Deep Cleansing Scrub, and Protein Bar. So Summer Eves was $4.29, Alka-Seltzer was $4.69, Pure Protein was $2.19, Deep Scrub was $6.29. Basically there was no extra bucks any of these deals were generating, but because of my CRT I did this deal. I had $2 of Protein Bar CRT. I used that one on this. I had 2 CRTs of $3 CVS Skincare. I used that. I had $2 of Feminine Wipes, plus I have $2 of Summer Eve CRT. I had 2 CRTs of Alka-Seltzer. I combined all of them. So I combined all the CRTs on this, making it $146 out of pocket for all these 4. I believe that scrub counts toward beauty. I will get some 60 cents towards it, making it 80 cents for all of these. I think you should combine your CRTs, use them on every single deal. That can be helpful. Let's go to next transactions. So as you can see on left side, I did deal Summer Eves plus Fantasy. So Summer Eves was same $4.39, and I had 2 CRTs, $2 of Feminine Wipes and $2 of Summer Eves wipes. Plus on Fantasy I had $7 of 25 and $5 select fragrance CRT. I combined all those 4 CRTs, reducing my total to $13.88. I got back $12 extra bucks for Fantasy, and I believe that counts toward beauty, but we will know like tomorrow, and I will get back $2.50 on beauty buck as well. On the right side, as you can see, that I did the teeth whitening CRT, teeth whitening 5-minute whitening plus Go2b. So Go2b is on clearance, guys. If you want this was $232 at my store, and the 5-minute whitening was $729. I had only 2 CRTs of $3 each on minute whitening. I used that teeth whitening CRTs on that, making it $129 out of pocket for that, plus $232 on that one. So basically I used nearly $4 in extra bucks to pay for these two, and I believe we can use that because a lot of money maker deals we have done this week. Let's go to next. So as usual, Hallmark is like bestowed on this. So again, on both card I got the CRTs. So on one card I had $4 of 4 CRT, 2 of them, and on the other card I had $4 of 3, $2.99 CRT. So on left side, as you can see, I bought 2 decoration items plus a paper roll. I didn't do that buy 3 get $3 gift card deal. I did not do that because I usually buy the stuff I need. So I did this deal, 2 decoration item plus paper roll. Paper roll was $4.99, one decoration was $1.99, and other decoration was $1.29. Total was slightly above than $8, but I had 2 CRTs, $4 of 3, the combining $8 that get rid of that, and I just paid like some cents on this. Same thing I did on the right side. I had $4 of 4, so I bought that envelope, or you can say bag, and 3 decorations. So the bag was I think $3.99 plus $1.99 of 2 of the decorations and $1.99 for other decoration. I used $4 of 4 Hallmark CRT, 2 of them. So that was like around 56 cents, I think. I believe that was literally like pennies I'm paying on this, and I think that's the best thing that you can use on your CRTs and CVS coupons on this. And if you will combine with other deals where you're expensing your what do you call that your extra bucks, then you don't have to pay anything out of pocket as well. Thanks for watching this, guys. I believe this can help you in saving more, and please I request you guys, support farmers. The thing that's happening in India is not like it's not called the democracy, I will say. Simple. And they can't just put something on. That's not how democracy should work. I believe we have democracy in US, and I believe that the same way should happen in India. Government should not impose the stupid laws on the public just to steal their lands so that they can sell it to someone else. I don't think so that's the right thing to do. I support farmers. Thank you, guys. Really appreciate your time. Stay tuned.